Hi, Sculpture. Welcome to another week with Mrs. Williams and art. I realized that I am so late with my video. I thought they were supposed to upload on Sunday, and I come back a couple days later and they said they couldn't post. So here we are on Wednesday making a new video. That's okay. So this week, as usual, you're going to be sketching every single day for about 2 to 3 minutes. As usual, we're going to have an artist spotlight every single Friday. And then, as usual, we're going to continue to master our art skills. And this week, we are doing that via Altoid tin sculptures. If you're new to sculpture, welcome, welcome. Here are the sketches. So this is how you sketch. This will tell you a little bit more what you need to know. We don't have a sketch check this week. Here we go. We have, again, if you're new and you don't know what a Freaky Friday is, I apologize. That's just an art history spotlight where we focus on an artist of our choice. If you've never done that before, here's a list of ways how to do it. And there will also be instructions on the Friday post this week, so don't freak out too much. So we are decorating Altoid tins. Altoid tins, in case you don't know, it's a mint tin, kinda. Here we go. And usually it has like gum or candy in it or something. But it essentially looks like this. It's a little metal box and it opens like that. If you don't have one of these metal boxes, I have a couple options for you. Don't freak out. So metal box, but if you don't have one, you can buy one from Fry's. What you're looking for, the same metal box, it'll have a design on it. Altoids, the mint company, it'll say Altoids on it, but it'll be blank on the inside. It's a perfect little canvas for you. And they only cost about $1 to $2. And so if you really want to sculpt, make something 3D, it looks like this week might be a shopping week for you. However, if you really don't want to sculpt, I also have a drawing of this already on Google Classroom of the Altoid tin ready for you, and you'll just be drawing your box instead of actually sculpting it. If you don't have a printer to print out the drawing to draw on, go ahead and tape your paper up on the screen and just trace that box. That is all the help I can give you. And if you don't know how to trace, then at that point you should email me. At that point you should email me. Okay. So we're getting ready for our holiday art show. And it is Winter Wonderland, so it's a little bit of a winter themed. And one of the songs that come up in the winter, and to celebrate also the winter spirit week of the year, it is holidays around the world. And my intro class right now is doing projects around Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, and Christmas. And sculpture, I just wanted to simplify it just to Christmas. And so this week we are creating one line of the song 12 Days of Christmas inside of our Altoid tin. In case you don't know the song, I've included the big lines from the song. A lot of them have to go around birds. So like partridge, doves, hen, calling birds, geese, swan. So if you love birds, this is a project for you. If you don't love birds, I'm so sorry. A lot of people are asking me, how do I get... Don't you miss being in person? Anyway, a lot of people ask me, how do I get an A on this project, Miss Williams? So this is exactly how I'm grading it. Does your box have a designed background, or is it just this blank, nasty gray or silver? Does your box have a line from the song somewhere? So if your line is 4 calling birds, does it say 4 calling birds somewhere in your box? Does your box have 2 to 3 forms? Forms are 3D objects. So I would just like grab random things you have around your house, and you can hot glue them in, you can duct tape them in, you can tape them in, but find a way to creatively implement those. And last but not least is good craftsmanship, as in, is there like sloppy lettering? Is there like ugly painting? Is it flaking? So just be careful on how you are actually drawing this. And last but not least, if you're drawing on the worksheet instead of actually making something in a tin, don't worry about the forms. Just draw the type of objects that you would implement if you were sculpting it. But don't worry about actually gluing 3D objects onto your drawing. I hope that helps. Because this video was so late, I'm going to give you guys an extension until next Tuesday when you'll turn in your 12 Days of Christmas box. And the last slide, these were just visual examples of what I'm looking for. Good luck, guys!